our next section, 7.5, work. Definition of work done by a constant force. If an object is moved a distance d in the direction of an applied constant force F, then the work W done by force is W equal F times d. The second definition of work done by a variable force. If an object is moved along a straight line by a continuously varied force f of x, then the work done by the force as the object is moved from point A to point B is equal to an integral from A to B f of x dx. So let's look at one example here. A force of 250 newtons stretch a spring 30 centimeter. How much work is done in stretching the spring from 20 centimeter to 50 centimeter? From this example, we're gonna use the Hooke's law, which is the force that required to compress or stress a spring. So Hooke's law states that the force is equal to K times X. K here is the constant and X is the distance. From the given condition, we have that to move the spring 30 centimeter, the force must be 250 newtons. So I'm going to substitute 250 for the force. We don't know the constant here, so I'm going to leave it as K. And the distance here is 30 centimeter. From here we can solve for K, which is constant. K is 25 over 3. Now I get my K. The question is how much work is done to stretch the spring from 20 centimeter to 50 centimeter. So my work, which is W, is going to be equal to an integral. A is 20, B is 50, F of x dx. Now I'm going to substitute f of x, which is k times x. And I already solved for my k, which is 25 over 3. So I have an integral from 20 to 50 k, which is 25 over 3 x, which is my distance that changed from 20 centimeter to 50 centimeter dx. Alright, so I'm gonna have 25 over 3 x squared over 2. The lower bound will be 20 and the upper bound will be 50. Let's rewrite this. This is 25 x squared over 6, 20 to 50. Now I can substitute 50 for x and 20 for x. Then I would have 25 50 square over 6 minus 25 times 20 square over 6. And by using the calculator, it should be about 8,750 Newton centimeter. So this is just a very simple and basic example of work by using the formula. We will discuss more example and more detail in this in class. I will give you more complicated example later. So in the meantime, this is 7.5. So have a good day, everyone. I'll see you next section.